If you're thinking about using Retell AI for your business, it's important to understand both the advantages and the drawbacks. In this video, we'll give you an honest 2025 breakdown so you can decide if it's worth investing in. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech reviews. Let's start with the pros. Retell AI creates human-like voice agents using advanced artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional automated systems, it can handle natural conversation flows, understand interruptions, and respond with context. This makes calls feel more authentic and professional, which can improve customer satisfaction. It's particularly useful for businesses that handle repetitive calls, such as lead qualification, appointment scheduling, or frequently asked questions, because it can operate 24/7 without additional staff. Retell AI is also customizable. You can adjust the voice, tone, and script to match your brand, making it versatile for different industries. Now, the cons. Retell AI uses a pay-as-you-go pricing model, which means costs can add up if your call volume is high. The platform also has a steeper learning curve than simpler tools, and setup can feel technical for those without experience. Some users report challenges with billing clarity and getting quick support when issues arise. Additionally, while Retell AI performs well in structured conversations, highly complex or unpredictable interactions may require manual intervention or fine-tuning. So, who should use Retell AI? It's ideal for startups, small businesses, and remote teams looking to automate repetitive voice interactions while maintaining a professional and human-like experience. But if your business has low call volume, tight budgets, or limited technical resources, the costs and setup may outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, Retell AI offers powerful automation and realistic conversations, but it comes with trade-offs that you should consider before committing. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest 2025 tech reviews. Thanks for watching.